Hey, do you want to use Netflix totally for free, without buying anything, without paying anything, without signing in? Hello friends, my name is Yasin Azimi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I have another awesome trick for you, that is Netflix. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you hack or how can you use Netflix without paying anything, just by following a few simple steps. So stay tuned, watch this video step by step up to the end, because you will get lots of things up to the end of this video. Hey, if this is the first time you are visiting my YouTube channel and wanna get new tricks, so make sure you hit the red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. It's totally free, you can subscribe right now. And you will get more new tech and internet tricks every day. I hope you guys will do it, right? So friends, I'm showing you the application that I have downloaded from the Play Store. So I'm uninstalling this one. Uninstall, okay. Yeah, it is getting uninstalled. Yeah, it's done. Then go to the link that I have provided for you. Then just click this one, download. Then after clicking of this one, you will be directed to a page, and in there you can download the Netflix application, the latest version. Yeah, so I want to install this one, so click in here, download. So after clicking in download, again you will have this one, so click in here, download, and the download is started. Yes, you can see that the application has been downloaded. So I'm opening this one, so just install this one and it will take a few seconds. Yeah, the application is installed and you can see that it has come. So click in here, open. Then I'm opening this application and it is totally the latest version of the Netflix. You should not buy anything. Yeah, I have to click in here, allow Netflix to access photos, media and files. Yeah, I allow this one. In here you can see lots of movies, lots of TV shows that you can download and you can also watch, but they have been uploaded just in 2020. And in here you can see the bad boys. So in here you can see that many TV shows, movies, HD releases, Hindi movies and many other things they are given. So in here there is a search bar, you can search any movie that you want. So in here, for example, I want to watch this movie, so just click on that one. And then here, while clicking in here, you can see that there is only one season and different episodes of this season, so you can watch any of them. Suppose that I want to open this one, so just click on that. Then after the clicking of that one, you will get a page and different resolutions will be given with different sizes. So you can see that this one is having 512 MB size. So just I'm opening this one. So after that you can see different options in here that you can download. Also download with advanced download manager, or the next option for download, play with subtitle. Just I want to play this one, so click in here, play. Then after that you can see that it's playing. So just wait for a few seconds, it depends upon the internet. If the internet speed is high, so it will be played in very less time. So friends, you can see that now I have opened this one, so let's see. Yeah, it's opening. So I'm just making the volume less, so you can see that it's playing, and it depends upon the speed of the internet that you're using. Yes, you can see.
Würde ich heiraten.
Then go back if you want to exit. Yeah, then here you can see many movies. Then go back, you have not to pay anything, no need to log in, just you need not to buy anything, any premium version. Just download this application and have fun, enjoy. So then go back. In here you can see that this movie has been uploaded on 2020, so the latest movie. And in here, if you wanna search any famous TV shows or series, just I wanna show one of them for you in here. So the letter for the king, the letter for the king, yeah, it's in here 2020. So just click this one. In here you can also see that it's having only one season and different episodes, so you can watch any of them just by clicking that one as I showed you in the last one. So just to go back, and suppose that you want to search, you can search any of them, whatever you want. Just you have to write the name in here. Then suppose that I want to search the Avengers. The Avengers. Yeah. So I'm going to the movies. You can see in here the Avenger Infinity, the Avengers, and many movies. Just if you want any other of them, just click in that one. So suppose that I want this one, so blacklist, the blacklist, scroll down, you can see different seasons, first, second, third, fourth. Suppose that I want this one, third season. In here you can see different episodes of that one, and just by clicking that one you can watch them. So this was the awesome trick of Netflix that I showed to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one. So that was the very simple trick for today. If you have found this video helpful, I know it was helpful, right? So give a like. Then if you have any question, then let me know in the comment section below, and also share this with your friends so that they can also get benefit of this free and totally free Netflix. So, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe right now for totally free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, because I will send you a notification of every new video. I have 2 other special videos for you in the right side. You can watch them as well. Thank you for watching. A world of gratitude. See you in the next video.